Common Assessment Number 2. Number 1. The Louisiana Purchase added land to the United States that was B. North of Lake Michigan, C. North of the Columbia River, D. West of the Mississippi River. Use this story to answer question 2. Sandy's parents lived near a very busy road. The city government decided to expand the road to a highway. They will need to take Sandy's parents' land. 2. What gives the city government the right to take the land? G. Articles of Confederation, H. Eminent domain, J. Louisiana Purchase. Number 3. Which branch of government contains 9 Supreme Court justices? Rockin' Around the Government Tree song. The blank has the Supreme Court and they interpret all the laws. A. The legislative branch, B. Executive branch, C. Judicial branch. Number 4. Which is not an effect or result of the Louisiana Purchase? F. The U.S. doubled in size, G. Thomas Jefferson wrote the Declaration of Independence, H. American Indians were pushed off their land. Number 5. The 2 houses of Congress are the House of Representatives and the blank. A. Legislative, B. Senate, C. Capitol. Number 6. Napoleon surprised President Jefferson by blank. F. Fighting a war with Great Britain, G. Selling the Louisiana Territory, H. Closing the port of New Orleans. Number 7. The executive branch includes blank. Remember your song, executive branch is the blank and he can pass or veto laws. A. Congress, B. The courts, C. The president. Number 8. Who did Thomas Jefferson hire to explore the Louisiana Purchase? G. George Washington, H. Franklin and Revere, J. Lewis and Clark. Number 9. The part of the Constitution that explains the basic freedoms of Americans is A. The Articles of Confederation, B. The Federal System, C. The Bill of Rights. Number 10. When he held national office, President Obama had the power to F. Veto, G. Judge fairness of laws, H. Write laws. The text below is the Second Amendment to the U.S. Constitution. A well-regulated militia being necessary to the security of a free state, the right of the people to keep and bear arms shall not be infringed. 11. Why was the Second Amendment placed in the Constitution? A. To provide people with a way to have free speech, B. To explain that the government cannot interfere in personal matters, C. To give people the right to own and use weapons. Number 12. Why does the U.S. Constitution contain a system of checks and balances? F. The writers of the Constitution wanted to give states more powers. G. The writers of the Constitution did not want a government with unlimited power. H. The writers of the Constitution did not want basic freedoms to be ignored. Number 13. What document was created that formed a weak government? A. Manifest Destiny, B. Articles of Confederation, C. Treaty of Paris. Number 14. How did Shays' Rebellion demonstrate a problem with the Articles of Confederation? F, it showed that Native Americans were being treated unfairly. G, it showed that the federal government should not be allowed to collect taxes. H, it showed that the federal government could not maintain law and order. 15. The executive branch does which of the following? A, make laws. B, make sure laws are constitutional. C, enforce laws. Number 16. How is the Bill of Rights important to the U.S. Constitution? G, it allows for the creation of two parties. H, it limits states' rights. J, it guarantees individuals' rights. Number 17. Sarah's older brother was recently in a car accident because another teenager was texting while driving. Sarah thinks that there should be a national law against texting while driving. Who should Sarah contact to tell them about her idea for a new law? A, the Vice President. B, the President. C, her Congress member. Number 18. What is manifest destiny? F, the USA was destined to establish a government. G, the idea that the land from the Atlantic Ocean to the Pacific Ocean was supposed to belong to the USA. H, the idea that the land from the Atlantic Ocean to the Pacific Ocean belonged to the Native Americans. What caused the War of 1812? A, Great Britain and France wanted to take over the USA. B, Great Britain wanted to reclaim the USA. Or C, Great Britain was closing the ports of the USA. Number 20. Which of the following are positive outcomes of the War of 1812? F, USA became known as a world power, Uncle Sam and the Star-Spangled Banner. G, gold, God, and glory. H, USA gained all the land west of the Mississippi River, Uncle Sam, and the Star-Spangled Banner. Read the following scenario and use it to answer question 21. While driving home from work, Michael is pulled over for not wearing a seatbelt. The policeman orders Michael to get out of the car. He then starts searching the trunk, where he finds illegal fireworks. Michael is arrested for possession of illegal fireworks. On what grounds can Michael argue that he was treated unfairly? A, freedom from searches without a warrant. B, freedom from double jeopardy. C, freedom from cruel or unusual punishment. Number 22. Which of the following is a purpose of the government according to the preamble of the Constitution? Remember your song, the preamble, We the People. F, defend the country against those who speak against its beliefs. G, promote the general welfare of citizens. H, keep the branches of government separate but equal. Number 23. When President Obama held national office, he was a member of the blank. Your song, the blank blank is the president and he can pass or veto laws. B, legislative branch. C, Air Force. D, executive branch.